A few years ago, I designed a simple 3D printed shell for my Casio F-91W. The goal was simple. I wanted to make the watch look larger and allow it to use wider straps. The project worked, I uploaded the files, and then I mostly forgot about it until recently. While looking through some of my old watches, I put the shell on again and realized there was still a lot of room for improvement. So I decided it was time to redesign it. The original shell solved one problem, but several others remained. The watch crystal was still exposed, the strap looked slightly oversized, and most importantly, I had never properly tested how strong it really was. That raised an interesting question. Could a 3D printed shell become real protective armor instead of just a cosmetic upgrade? That became the goal of this project. The first step was improving the proportions. I reduced the lug width from 22mm to 20mm and redesigned the strap mounting area for common quick-release straps. Next, I added replaceable plastic shield to protect the crystal. The idea was simple. If the shield gets scratched, it can be replaced easily while keeping the original watch safe underneath. I also increased the thickness of several areas to improve impact resistance without making the watch too bulky. One challenge appeared around the button openings. Small corners often shrink slightly during FDM printing, especially at higher print speeds. To compensate for that, I modified the geometry around the cutouts. It looks a little unusual in design, but it produces much better looking results. For the material, I chose PLA+. It is not the strongest material available, but it is affordable, easy to print, and compatible with almost any FDM printer. Once the redesign was finished, it was time for testing. And very quickly, I found a problem. After several impact tests on concrete, a small section near the button openings cracked. The watch survived, the shell did not. But that's one of the best things about 3D printing. Failure gives you useful information. The broken part showed exactly where the design needed reinforcement. So I returned to the design software. In this case, I'm using DesignSpark Mechanical. I reinforced the weak area and adjusted several dimensions based on what I learned from the first test. Then I printed several updated versions. The cycle of designing, printing, testing, and redesigning is one of my favorite parts of this kind of project. Every failed prototype teaches me something. With the updated design finished, it was time for another round of testing. I threw it onto concrete multiple times. I dragged it across rough surfaces. I stepped on it repeatedly. And finally, I rolled over it with a motorbike. Even after that, I scraped the case against a concrete wall, steel chains, and other rough surfaces. The shell survived, the watch survived, and most importantly, the shell absorbed the damage, exactly as intended. The scratches were on the armor, not on the watch. What I like most about this project is that it shows both the fun side and the practical side of 3D printing. You don't always need to invent something completely new. Sometimes you can take an existing product, identify its weak points, and improve it. And if something breaks, you can simply update the design and quickly print another version. If you'd like to build one yourself, the STL files are available in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next project. Have a great day.